Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the grammar present perfect tense. I will explain about this grammar in English and in Bahasa Indonesia. So, we have already discussed about the functions and the formulas. Next, what we are going to discuss is about the time signals used in the present perfect tense. What are the time signals used? The first kind is called as the phrase. Okay, the phrase form of the signals. What are they? First is ever. Ever. Ever means that you have the experience in life between the past until now. Okay, so you have something happens in your life. In Indonesia we call as pernah. Pernah. Jadi kalian sudah pernah mengalami sesuatu. Then you use ever. The opposite of ever is never. Never. So you add an N to ever. N means no. Never means not ever. Okay, not to have the experience. So you didn't have anything happened from the past until now. Okay, in certain time. In Indonesia we call as tidak pernah, not ever, tidak pernah, never. Alright, next is just. Just here has different meaning with only. Ya, artinya bukan hanya, tapi baru saja. Just is baru saja. It is used to indicate the very recent actions. Okay, it just happened recently. And then we have already. Already, it is used to indicate the actions that are completed before now. Okay, jadi dia sudah duluan dilakukan atau sudah duluan selesai dilakukan. In Indonesia we call it as sudah duluan, already. Already here usually paired with yet. Okay, yet. Yet is used to show that the action is not complete. It's not completed before now. Jadi belum, untuk memberi penegasan. Okay, or you can also use yet when you want to ask whether it is completed or not. Jadi kalau masih ragu sudah dilakukan atau belum, gunakan yet untuk bertanya. Okay, so these are the first 5 of signals used in the present perfect tense. These are the function, and we are going to discuss in what type of sentences can you use this signals, and in which position in a sentence can you put these signals. Okay, first of all we are going to discuss in what type of sentence can you use this signal. The first one, ever, pernah. Pernah. You can use ever in all type of sentences. Okay, first in positive sentence, in negative sentence, and in interrogative sentence. So you can use ever in all 3 types of the sentences. And then never. Remember before, never means not ever. So you already have the word not. Not means negative. So you cannot use never in negative sentence. You can only use it mostly in positive sentence, sometimes in interrogative sentence. Oke, jadi kalau never, tidak pernah, jangan gunakan di kalimat negatif. Gunakan di kalimat positif dan kalimat tanya atau interrogatif. Oke, the third is just. Just, baru saja. Just is the same as ever, so you can use just in all type of senses, in positive, negative, and interrogative. Okay, and then already. already and yet. Okay, as I've told you before, already and yet both are usually paired one to another. Already used in positive, and then if you want to make it negative, use yet instead, also in question. Okay, jadi already and yet ini biasanya selalu dipasangkan. Kalau di positifnya pakai already, di negatif dan questionnya pakai yet. Okay, so this is the type of sentences in which you can put the signals. What about the position in the sentence? Should you put these signals in the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of the sentence? Let's check it out. Okay, for the first four, ever, never, just, and already, you have to put it before the verb 3. For with verb, or before been, for without verb. Okay, so let's see the example at the top of this slide. Visited is the verb 3, so you put already before the verb 3. Already visited. Or in the without verb example, you have the word been, so you have to put never before the word been. Okay, put it before the verb 3 or been, not in the beginning, not at the end. Now, what about the last one? Yet. Where should you put yet? Yet is put at the end of a sentence. Okay, remember, you use yet in negative and in interrogative or questions. So here you put it at the end. Has Alan submitted his assignment yet? Or the teacher hasn't finished checking the students' assignments yet. Okay, so put it at the very end of a sentence. Okay, this is the conclusions. Okay, now we are going to discuss the other signals used in the present perfect tense. Okay, there are two more signals that you can use. The first one is for. What is for? For here doesn't mean untuk. Artinya bukan untuk, tapi selama. Okay, you use for to show how long the time of experiencing things. So it must be followed with the duration of time. For example, they have studied English for 5 years. Jadi 5 years di sini adalah durasi waktu, 5 tahun, selama 5 tahun. Sheila has read the book for 30 minutes. Berapa lama? Selama 30 menit. Okay, for 30 minutes. So, it must be followed with the duration of time. The other signal is since. Since means sejak. Okay, sejak. To show the start time in the past. Because it shows the start time in the past, okay, it must be followed with the specific time in the past. Jadi kalau since itu harus diikuti oleh satu waktu di masa lampau yang pasti. For example, I've known him since he was 9 years old. Okay, jadi waktunya pasti ya. Since, sejak dia berusia 9 tahun. And then, the students have joined Google Classroom since last week. Jadi kalau ada kata since, harus diikuti oleh specific time in the past. But if there is no words since, and you have the specific time in the past, do not use present perfect tense. What you have to use is the simple past tense. Jadi kalau mau pakai specific time in the past, pastikan ada kata since, sejak. Kalau nggak ada kata sejak, tapi kalian langsung pakai last week, or he was 9 years old, or yesterday, do not use present perfect tense, tapi pakai simple past tense. Okay, so these are all our discussions. We have already discussed about the function, the formulas, and the signals. If you have any more questions, you can ask in the comments. Okay, study this lesson very well, because you're going to have more questions later for me, more assignments of course. So that's all for today in this video. Hopefully it helps. Thank you.